is the hotel. I'm at the Hotel du Lac. So I just want to give you a little tour of my hotel room. Like, I'm already enjoying this place. So I want you guys to see the room. It's really nice. So when you come in, the first thing you see is this safe and this wardrobe. And the hotel is really nice. Really nice hotel. And oh, that's me. Hi guys. And then there's the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Like, whoa. And what is this? There's even a hair dryer. Can you imagine this? And this is me. I'm having a really nice time. So there's this sink for brushing or washing everything, and they have the Hotel du Lac tower, and then there's this small mirror thing here, and then there is this toilet here, and ooh, this is the shower. Really nice. And here is the curtain, and yeah, this is the bed. I love it. It looks really good. See, Hotel du Lac, Benin. And then there is this bedside mirror, and of course, oh, look at that other one. That looks really nice. And there is this chair here for just underneath the AC, and of course my lunch here. Ooh, guys, check this out. Look at the view. Look at the view. Really nice balcony. It's really nice. And yeah, there's a table for writing or whatever with the TV, the trash can, and another side lamp. Now look at the art. Like, I'm so going to enjoy my vacation. Going to enjoy this vacation. Please, whoever told you Benin Republic was not beautiful is lying. Benin Republic is absolutely gorgeous. And I mean gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Like, this is really nice. So I need to relax now, take a shower. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so I just returned from the beach and it was really fun. My battery actually died, so I could not really film everything, but anyways, now I'm having my dinner of chicken and chips. And now this place is really beautiful. Like, Benin Republic is such a beautiful country. Like, I'm not even going to lie. And this is just the first day of vacation and I'm already enjoying it. Like, this is the baby girl life I've been craving. So guys, I hope if you are enjoying the video, if you've enjoyed this video or you've watched this video up to this point, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Please show your girl some love. Take me to 1,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button and do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And I think this is where we'll end today's filming. We'll see what other activities we can do tomorrow, and I'll try to film. So for now, enjoy. Bye bye.